So hey guys, this is Jayant and welcome to the channel. So today we are talking about world's first truly wireless smartphone which was launched in 1973. In today's world, all the things can be done on a smartphone, whether it is recording video like what I'm doing right now, clicking a photo, writing an email and lot more. So can you imagine those days when smartphone didn't existed in this world? The world was eagerly waiting for a truly wireless smartphone. So let me take back you to 1973 when it all started. Well, the first smartphone was launched in 1950, but it was a car phone or it can only be used in houses or in car. It was a used phone weighing 10 kgs and it was very difficult to carry, and that's why it was not so popular back then. But something crazy happened in 1973. Martin Cooper launched the first truly wireless smartphone in this world, and can you guess the company who launched this smartphone? And if you're thinking about Samsung, you are absolutely wrong because it was Motorola. I know you're shocked because nowadays we don't see much popular Motorola phones, but the Motorola was the first company to unveil the world's first smartphone in 1973. Actually, the phone was launched in 1973, but it actually came in the market in 1983, and there were a lot of certifications to be passed before the product could actually come in the market. And after passing all these certifications, the phone was finally available to the masses on 1st May 1983. The name of the phone was Motorola Dynamite 8000X, and it was also called as a brick phone because it was not weighing less than a brick. So now let's talk about the specifications of world's first smartphone. It had an antenna and the weight of the phone was 800 gram, which is not less than a brick. And also this phone needed to be charged for 10 continuous hours for just talk time of 30 minutes, which is just crazy. There was a constant race and fight between the two companies named Bell Labs and Motorola for launching world's first smartphone. And do you know, the world's first call was made by Martin Cooper, who called his rival Bell Labs to tell him that, see, you lose the bet. I am the first one to introduce world's first smartphone, and hence I won the bet.
And I said, hi, Joel, it's Marty Cooper. Hi, Marty, he says. I'm calling you from a cell phone, but a real cell phone. A personal, handheld, portable cell phone. There was silence at the other end of the line. To this day, Joel doesn't remember that call, and I'm not sure I blame him.
The price of this phone was pretty much shocking. The phone was priced at $3,995, which after inflation comes to $10,000 in today's world. And people who bash on internet about how expensive iPhones have become now, just to tell them, the world's first smartphone was launched at $10,000. And of course, it was a luxury phone, only rich people could afford it, and the calling price was pretty much huge. If you speak 10,000 hours on this smartphone, the price was equal to buying a new phone. Back then, telecom companies didn't existed, so Motorola made its own telecommunication system. This Motorola phone could only communicate with other Motorola devices. Because of this, when other manufacturers launched their own smartphones, it was difficult for Motorola to compete with them. Motorola sold around 15,000 units of Dynamite 8000X in just 1 year after it was launched. And this was a turning point for the company because Motorola made a name in the smartphone industry with the launch of Dynamite 8000X, and it also helped the company to recover all its losses. So that winds up the video. Please like and share this video with your friends and tell them the world's first smartphone story. Please subscribe to my channel for amazing tech videos, and this is Jayant signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye. The world's first personal computer was launched by Berkeley Enterprises in 1950, and the price of this computer was $3,000, and it was also referred to as Simon. So that was the cool fact for watching the video till the end. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.